Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring both consoles run the latest Pokémon Scarlet and Violet patch and have local play enabled. Once done, open the X menu and select Local Play, then pick Link or Local Mode depending on your UI. Make sure you designate one Nintendo Switch as the host and create the room with a clear name and player limit. You do this so other players can detect the session reliably. This reduces confusion and connection errors before anyone tries to join. Next, you have other players choose Join in Local Play and Scan for the host's room. If the room doesn't appear, toggle Wi-Fi or return to the main menu briefly. Once you see the host, confirm trainer names and that everyone's game version and in-game area are compatible. Accept on-screen prompts for joining and permissions. This syncing step ensures all parties load into the same instance, preventing dysyncs during raids or trades and letting you move on to the activity quickly. With everyone green, you can start raids, trades, or just explore together. Pick the activity while the host controls instant spawning. If someone disconnects, instruct them to close the software fully, reopen, and rejoin the host room. This often clears session errors. Make sure players stay within roughly 10 meters for stable local wireless and reduce Bluetooth interference from headsets or phones. Use these steps to finish your session cleanly, and if problems persist, restart both consoles before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.